So I have sent 1,000+ promotional messages on WhatsApp to all my customers and leads. And you must be wondering that I did all of this manually. So no, I use Pabbly Chatflow to do this. I simply created a broadcast, and using this broadcast I sent personalized yet promotional messages in bulk to all the customers and leads. And in this video I'll show you how you can set this up. Just give me 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can also set this up for your own business. So what you have to do is you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send up to 100 messages for free, and yes, this is true. And once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can use my discount coupon code, which is RITPC, to purchase Pabbly Chatflow's plan, and you're going to get a very good discount if you use this coupon code. So I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, you can definitely purchase it. So alright, after you come on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, if you are an existing user, simply log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want a video tutorial dedicated towards how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. I have already added my WhatsApp number. Now I'm just going to move in further and create broadcast. But in order to create a broadcast, first of all we have to sort the contact list and the template. So what you have to do is, first of all, you should have a contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow to whom you want to send this broadcast WhatsApp messages in bulk. So what you have to do is you have to come on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, click on this add contact button, then go towards this add bulk contacts. Now you can upload bulk contacts, which is a CSV file. And how are you going to get the CSV file? So simply in a Google Sheet, enter all the details of your customers and leads, go towards this file, download, and download this in CSV format. Then simply upload this file right over here in Pabbly Chatflow, and all the contacts will be uploaded in Pabbly Chatflow. Then further you can create the contact list for the same. Once the contact list is created, you are ready to move on further. If you want to learn more about this contact section in detail, a video tutorial dedicated to its same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. The second thing which we have to sort is template. So if you wish to send template messages, you first have to go towards this template list, click on this add template button and create a template which you are going to send to all the customers and leads like this. And if you want to send regular message, no need to worry, you can ignore this template section. If you want to learn more about this template section in detail, a video tutorial again is attached in the description box below. This video is only going to focus on how to create broadcasts and send 1,000+ promotional messages to all the contacts in bulk. So for that, we're just going to go towards this broadcast section from the left hand of the site and click on this add broadcast button. Now you have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and now you have to enter the name. So let's say I'm just going to enter the name as offers right over here. Now you have to select the contact list which you created. So you can select multiple contact lists and send bulk promotional messages, 1,000+ promotional messages right over here simply by selecting your contact list. I'm just going to select a dummy contact list right over here. Now next which we have is this message type. So over here you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So what you can do is, if you want to send a pre-approved template message, first of all you have to create a template like I showed you in the starting of this video. I'm just going to show you once again. As you can see that I have already created this template right over here, which is named winter offers. So I'm just going to show you this template which I have created, and I'm just going to send this template only. Alright, so I'm just going to select this WhatsApp template, but if you wish to send a regular message, select this regular message, select the message type, enter the caption right over here, and you can also broadcast a regular message if you don't want a pre-approved template message. I'm just going to select a WhatsApp template right right over here. I'm just going to look for my template and select it. After this, it is asking me for this body field one. So you must be wondering, what is this? So in this template, you can see I have one in curly brackets right over here. And I want to replace this one with the name of my lead or the customer every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So what we have to do is from the left hand of the side, we have to go towards the settings and then contact custom field. Now, if you have created a new account, these 4 contact custom fields are universal and these will be added in your account automatically. If you wish to add the name in front of this, hey, you just have to create the template with curly brackets one in it, and you have to copy this field name and paste it right over here. Now, once we paste this dollar name, what is going to happen is this dollar name is going to be replaced with the name of the customer or the lead we have in the contact, and we're going to send personalized messages. Yes, in bulk broadcast and personalized WhatsApp messages to all our customers and leads. After this, click on this done and you are ready to go. Further, if you wish to test this broadcast before sending it to multiple contacts at once, you can simply enter the username right over here. Then you can enter the mobile number and test this broadcast right over here by clicking on this send test message. Once you click on this send test message, and you can test this broadcast like this. So as you can see, it is perfect, so we can send it to all our customers. So let's send this to all our customers now. So in order to send this to all our customers, we have 2 options. Yes, schedule it for later, or no, send instantly. So if you wish to instantly send this, you have to select it as no, send instantly. But if you want to schedule it for later, you can simply click on this yes, schedule for later, and you can select the date and time right over here. Just keep in mind the format which we have, which is month, date, year, hours, minutes. So I'm just going to select the date as 26th of December right over here and the time as 12 p.m. Now I'm just going to schedule this for 26th of December 12 p.m. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this add broadcast button, and you can see that we have successfully scheduled this broadcast for 26th of December 12 p.m. Now once this broadcast is going to run, you're going to also see the stats of this broadcast, how much was sent, delivered, read, and all of this. So yes, with this we have successfully learned how to send bulk promotional messages. So now you can also send up to 1000 plus promotional messages to all your customers, leads within seconds and in real time, that too personalized bulk WhatsApp messages. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, and send these offers to all the customers without getting any manual intervention. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.